Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and battery because low juice interrupts pairing. Once charged, press and hold the Endurance Peak 2 power button until the LED flashes. This forces the earbuds into Bluetooth pairing. Then, on your iPhone, open Settings and tap Bluetooth so the device can scan. Make sure you keep the Bluetooth screen visible so the phone continually searches. This sequence reduces dropped connections and speeds discovery, which is why you act on both the earbuds and the iPhone together. Once your iPhone lists JBL Endurance Peak 2, tap that exact name to initiate pairing. The phone and earbuds exchange profiles so audio and microphone work. You'll hear a confirmation tone from the buds and the iPhone will show connected. This confirms the A2DP and HFP profiles loaded. Make sure to allow microphone access if you want calls, and set media volume on the phone rather than the buds for consistent levels. If you plan to use the JBL app, installing it can enable firmware updates and custom EQ. You finish by testing reconnect behavior. Close and reopen the case or toggle Bluetooth on your iPhone to confirm the Endurance Peak 2 auto reconnects. Once done, check sound across apps and set Siri or double-tap controls to your preference. If you hit trouble, one key tip: perform a factory reset, hold the power longer, or follow the manual's reset sequence, because many pairing faults come from stale pair records. After reset, repeat the pairing steps. That usually clears stubborn connection errors.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.